What is Alzheimer's? Alzheimer's is a brain disorder that slowly destroys memories, thinking skills, and the ability to do basic tasks. In this video, we will be discussing how the brain is affected and who is affected. In most people's cases, people with late onset type symptoms first appear in their mid-60s. Some rare cases of early onset Alzheimer's can occur around a person in their mid-30s through 60s. The human brain contains tens and millions of neurons that focus on transmitting information via electrical and chemical signals. Each neuron does specific functions to carry out a specific task, such as moving our muscles, breathing, and having existential crisis. Each neuron in a brain contains three different parts: a cell body, dendrites, and axons. All these neurons depend on important communication between neighboring cells, metabolizing and breaking down of chemical and nutrients, cell repair, house remodeling, and regeneration. Fun fact, the brain takes up 20% of your body's energy. You also got things like oligodendrocytes, microglia, astrocytes, and glial cells, which help communicate with blood vessels to keep the brain in decent shape. But we don't need to talk about them, we could just go right past them. It likes to shrink, but remains dense and packed with neurons, like a brand new air mattress being pulled out of those tiny boxes, which make it hard to put it back when you're done with them. Alzheimer's, however, does some real damage by stopping the functions of the brain to keep those neurons in tip-top shape.
Alzheimer's affects the ethereal cortex and hippocampus, which is responsible for memory, and later affects the cerebral cortex, which is responsible for language, and eventually the brain is so damaged a person loses the ability to function and can result into fatality.
Some characteristics of Alzheimer's can be observed after death to identify what changes occurred to cause Alzheimer's. These changes include chronic inflammation, which results in the buildup of glial cells and to keep the brain free of debris, amyloid plaques, which is the breakdown of the precursor protein, and a loss of natural connections in which cells die off due to injury.